This lesson is about adjectives. You'll learn what adjectives do and how to identify them. Adjectives are big. Adjectives are small. Adjectives can be pretty. Adjectives can be gorgeous. They can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Let's look at some examples. A diligent student gets good grades. A happy mother is a good mother. I have awesome teachers. Here are the adjectives, and here are the nouns. The adjectives describe the nouns. Adjectives can describe either singular or plural nouns. Adjectives can also describe pronouns. For example, he is happy, they are colorful. He and they are pronouns. Happy and colorful are adjectives, and they describe the pronouns. But how can you tell which words are adjectives? One thing you can do is look for common adjective endings, and we'll talk about those in just a minute. You can also look at the sentence structure. Here are some common adjective endings. All, like accidental, personal, or regional. Full, like beautiful, colorful, and skillful. Ick, like historic, athletic, and basic. Ish, like selfish, foolish, and pinkish. Here is one structure for using adjectives. We have subject plus linking verb plus adjective. And here are some common linking verbs. Be, become, seem, appear, look, feel, taste, smell, and sound. The linking verbs can be in any verb tense, such as present, past, perfect, or future. The other structure in sentences is to have adjective plus noun. For example, smart, student. Happy, mother. Awesome, teacher. You can also put articles in front of them, such as the, or a or an. Remember that adjectives are descriptive. Adjectives are important. Adjectives are easy.